Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this sketch, I'm not entirely sure. Number 1 turned out relatively well. Number 2 looks absolutely nothing like the number 1. I'm putting it down to the nose and the elongated face. And number 3, I think it's the hand. That's where the hand should go, and that's why it's extremely basic outline of where it should go, so hence why that's there as well. That's the basic hand, but I think I've made it far too sharp almost. So sketch number 1 took 3 minutes 10 seconds, number 2 3 minutes, and number 3 took 2 minutes 40 seconds. All were used geometric and observational with good speed, creating the feedback loop, as I said. Yeah, so I'm putting this down as a learning day. It wasn't a success, but it's also not a failure. And I don't really like using that word failure, because then you become a little bit demoralised and not really quite happy with it. So I'm just going to put it down to a learning moment. So yeah, thanks guys.